So let's get started. I am Jeff Silverman. I am one of your organizers this year, along with Eric Clausen Brown right here. So welcome to the 8th annual Astronomers Turned Data Scientists Splinter Meeting, ATDS. Thanks to our sponsors, AAS, the American Institute of Physics, Kinder, and Convergence Data Analytics. We have the meeting website. This QR code will be up throughout the day, but you can also go to atds.space. That's our main ATDS page, and then you can find the meeting at the top there to follow along with the schedule, see other stuff that we're doing at this meeting and later tonight. You can sign up for our email list. There's only a few emails per year. We have a little recruitment quarter. Chris Griffith, who is in person with us, and Taka Tanaka, who is giving a remote talk, are both hiring. Actively told us that they wanted to recruit, so feel free to reach out to them if you're job hunting. What else? Right, so the ATDS website, the main page, as I mentioned, is atds.space. And so on that homepage, you can see a bunch of links, including to our podcast, which I'll talk more about in a second, as well as the YouTube channel, the Slack workspace, LinkedIn group, Blue Sky account, email address, all that good stuff. For the podcast, we are sponsored by the AAS. They pay some of our podcasting fees, which is nice. I'm one of the co-hosts of that, along with Joseph Ahern, who is one of our speakers this morning. We started it in 2024, and in 25 and just this past week, we released 6 new episodes. And yeah, aimed at the same crowd, astronomers who are using data science techniques, astronomers who are interested in making the transition into the tech field and data-related positions. So come check us out. We've had some good growth, year-over-year growth for folks in the ad tech world. Taka, one of our speakers, has taken over the #1 slot as far as the most listened to and downloaded episodes. We have a couple of other of our speakers today up on this top 7 list. And yeah, all-time reach, we've got, a couple thousand views, almost 1,600 downloads, 134 YouTube subscribers. So, not mind-blowing numbers, but we're growing and it's nice. And it's nice to see that growth over the last couple of years. Mostly in the US, people are listening and downloading, but we do have a reach around the world, which is nice. And we are basically distributed everywhere you might want to find a podcast. So the video version is on our YouTube channel. The audio is on a whole bunch of podcasting services. So come check us out. If you have feedback, you want to help out with the editing or, do sound work or that kind of fun stuff, or you want to be interviewed or have an idea of who could be interviewed, feel free to just email Astro2Data, the generic ATDS email address, and I will see that and share it with Joseph. The Slack workspace, we started it not that long ago. It's almost 2 years now, though it feels very recent. That was started by another one of our speakers today, Christopher Agostino. As of a couple days ago, there's been a few thousand messages, 360 people, 65 people, which is cool. And we hit a new monthly active user record of 161 the other day, so that was pretty cool. We started a LinkedIn group as well about a year ago. We have about 157 members, good combination of astronomy academics and people in industry, data science type folks. You can see, the top, besides other, the top job title is data scientist, and the second top job title is postdoc researcher. So, that I think speaks to the crowd that makes up ATDS often. All right, and so back to the schedule here. We have 4 different talk sessions throughout the day. We have some breaks between those. We have a break in the middle of the day for the plenary, and then a little bit of time for lunch on top of that. Then we have the 2 plenaries at the end of the day, but then we'll reconvene at Huss Brewing, which is just around the corner from the entrance to the convention center. And we'll have food and drink, alcoholic and non, provided by a couple of our sponsors, which is super cool. And so, yeah, we're going to try to stick to this schedule. And so, if we finish up one session early, we're not going to move on to the next speaker or the next session until their time comes. So there's that. But yeah, I think that's basically all I wanted to say. So since we finished up a bit early here, our first speaker, Betsy, will start at 9:15, about 10 minutes from now, a little less than 10 minutes. And so in the meantime, grab food and drink, mingle, chit chat. We've got a few of our speakers are already in the room. And that's where I'll leave it. Did I miss anything, Eric? Do you have any other announcements or things I should say? Okay, then great. I see we have some of our speakers on online as well. So welcome to you speakers on the webinar, and welcome to the attendees on the webinar. And thanks everybody in person for coming. So feel free to come throughout the day. Oh, one last thing, we are planning to record all the talks and post them on the ATDS website or on the YouTube channel and the website eventually when we get around to it, sometime next month probably. So if you can't make one of the talks, they should be posted eventually. So. With that, welcome again, and yeah, chill for 8 minutes until our first speaker.